Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to customize your server's command map. If you don't know what the command map is, it's basically all the commands that your server knows about. So let's say you have the default Minecraft boss bar command, you have some bucket commands like the plugins, and some servers like to hide those commands and completely disable them since some plugins are custom made and you don't want them to be released to the public. So we'll hide them from this list. So to do this, you're going to need Skript and SkBee. I'll leave links in the description below. You can go ahead and download them there. And you also need to install Spigot or Paper as your server software. So once that's done, we can get started. Once you install those plugins on your server, you should go ahead and go in your plugins folder. There should be a new folder called a script folder. You can go ahead and open it, and inside of that folder there should be a scripts folder that appeared. You can go ahead and open it. You should have a lot of default SK scripts, and you can go ahead and ignore those. You can delete them. You can do whatever you want with them. But for this, I'm going to create a new file, and you can name it whatever you want, but the extension has to be .sk. So for me, I'm going to be naming it map.sk for the convenience. So once that's done, you can open the file. Once you open the file, we can finally start coding. So for this, I already prefabbed a list of things we were going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the current command map. We're going to remove all the commands that are in it, and we're going to set the command map to the commands that we want the player to be able to see. So for this, we're going to create a new event. So on player command send. So upon once you're in your file, you can finally start coding. So for me, I already prefabbed a list of things that we're going to do. So first off, we're going to start by getting the current command map. Then we're going to remove all the commands that are in that command map. And then we're going to set the commands to the ones that we want that the player to be able to see. So first off, we're going to create a new event. So on player command send. This is going to fire when we're going to start executing a command. So when we type / to run a command, then we want to clear the command map, and then we want to set the command map to, and then here you can type the commands you want. So if you want multiple commands, you're going to have to split them like this. And once you're done adding the commands you want, you're going to add an end at the end so it doesn't give you any errors. So for us, we're going to add the help and the message. So since we only have two commands, we can remove this, and put message here. So that's it. That's literally it. There's nothing else to do. So this is going to fire when we start executing the command. This is going to clear every single command that's in the command map, and this is going to set the command map. Before we save the file and run it on our Minecraft server, we have to make sure that operators have access to all the commands since they are ops. And so if the player is op, that's literally it. You don't have to do anything else. This is actually isn't. So if the player isn't op, it's going to remove the command map. Otherwise, it's just going to do nothing. And once that's done, you can save the file and go to your Minecraft server. Once you're back on your Minecraft server, you can type skreload and then the name of your file. For me, it's going to be map.sk, and you should be good to go. So as you can see, all the command maps are still there since I am still an operator. So if I out myself real quick, you can see that all the commands are gone and only these two are left. So I have to warn you though that it doesn't disable the commands. It only removes them from the command map, so you're going to have to modify that on your own. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.